Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are new. My name is Kristen, and in today's video we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This look is using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. Now, forever ago, I think when I did a swatch and review on this, I'll link that down below because it's been a while since that video has been up. I talked about how they have 3 looks on the back here, so today I finally decided to sit down and film one of the looks that they have back here. So I just started off with the first one, which is Root Beer Pop. So if you guys want to see how I got this Root Beer Pop look using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette, then keep watching. The first shade I am going in with is Chilling, and it's a pretty much like skin tone matte shade, and I'm just putting this all over the eye area. I wish I did not do this, and I'll explain why. So next I'm applying Cherry Cola with my finger, and it is this gorgeous like burgundy color. And because I put that Chilling shade down, Cherry Cola did not pop as much as it normally would if it was on its own. So that is why I regret doing that step, but I think the look is still really pretty in the end. So next I'm just going in with Cola Float, which is a nice like warm orangey brown shade, and I am just blending this in the crease nice and lightly. I didn't want it to be too heavy because it's a pretty pigmented shade, so I just wanted it nice and lightly with my Morphe M441 brush because that's literally the only brush that I use. Come on now. And I did deepen it up a little bit. I went in with the shade I think twice, so this is the second go around. So next I'm just going back in with Cherry Cola, and I am just putting this on the lid a little more because it did get wiped away when I was putting on Cola Float when I was blending. So next I'm taking the shade Root Beer, which is a really pretty dark brown shade, and I am just lining the lash line. I put some tape down. I did that off camera because I feel like you all have seen people apply tape before, like it's nothing new. And I kind of just did a really pretty smoky liner with the lip brush that I got in my April Yes Oh Yes bag. I loved that for this. It just looked so pretty. I wish it was a little deeper on camera. It was darker in person, so I did kind of like deepen it up a little bit more and make it a little thicker and smoked it out a little bit more. Again, I kind of like just went back and forth. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face off camera. I am back, and then for my lips today I'm using this Bite lipstick, and oh my god, I forgot the name. Tiramisu, I want to say it's called something like that. If that's not the name, it'll be linked down below. I always link my products that I use down below, but I love this shade. It's just like a really pretty nudie pink color. It is just absolutely perfect. And then this is the completed look. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Also, please make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!